Elevate your cleaning game. Essential cleaning supplies for Airbnb hosts. As an Airbnb host, providing a clean and inviting space for your guests is essential to ensure their comfort and satisfaction. To achieve exceptional cleanliness, having the right cleaning supplies is paramount. In this blog post, we will highlight the essential cleaning supplies that every Airbnb host should have in their arsenal. And for those seeking professional cleaning services, we'll introduce Comfy Maids as the go-to cleaning service provider to take your Airbnb cleanliness to the next level. 1. All-purpose cleaner, versatility at its best. An all-purpose cleaner is the backbone of any cleaning routine. Look for a high-quality cleaner that can handle various surfaces, such as countertops, floors, and appliances. This versatile cleaning solution will save you time and effort, ensuring that every corner of your Airbnb shines. 2. Microfiber cloths, precision cleaning. Microfiber cloths are essential for achieving a streak-free and lint-free clean. These specialized cloths are highly absorbent and trap dust and dirt effectively. They are perfect for wiping surfaces, dusting, and polishing. With Comfy Maids' attention to detail, they know the power of microfiber cloths and utilize them to deliver exceptional cleaning results in every corner of your Airbnb. 3. Vacuum cleaner, tackle dust and debris. A reliable vacuum cleaner is a must-have for maintaining cleanliness in your Airbnb. Look for a vacuum with strong suction power and versatile attachments to clean both carpets and hard floors. Comfy Maids understands the importance of thorough vacuuming and can recommend the best vacuum cleaner for your specific flooring types to ensure a deep clean and eliminate allergens effectively. 4. Disinfectant spray, promote a hygienic environment. In today's world, maintaining a clean and hygienic space is of utmost importance. A quality disinfectant spray is crucial for killing germs and reducing the risk of contamination. Choose a disinfectant spray that is effective against a broad spectrum of bacteria and viruses. Comfy Maids stays up to date with the latest industry standards and can provide guidance on the most effective disinfectant products to use in your Airbnb. 5. Odor eliminator, freshness guaranteed. Unpleasant odors can quickly diminish the guest experience. An effective odor eliminator will ensure that your Airbnb smells fresh and inviting. Look for air fresheners or odor-neutralizing sprays that eliminate odors rather than masking them. Comfy Maids understands the importance of a pleasant environment and can recommend odor-eliminating products that align with their high standards of cleanliness. Equipping yourself with essential cleaning supplies is essential for maintaining a spotless and welcoming Airbnb. By utilizing products such as all-purpose cleaners, microfiber cloths, vacuum cleaners, disinfectant sprays, and odor eliminators, you can elevate your cleaning game and provide an exceptional guest experience. And when it comes to professional cleaning services, Comfy Maids is the trusted partner you can rely on. Investing in the right cleaning supplies and partnering with a reputable cleaning service provider like Comfy Maids is the secret to achieving excellence in Airbnb cleanliness. So, equip yourself with these essential supplies and let Comfy Maids take your Airbnb to new heights of cleanliness and guest satisfaction.